Like, if you're here, why not? Just do a club sport. Do 2 club sports. I would never be a cheerleader, or I would never try cheer if I hadn't gone here. I was honestly surprised at how much I would grow, but this is like so different, and I'm just really surprised that it took at all. I was so nervous going into it because it's not my sport. Like, what used to be nerves is now just like pure confidence, really, because I know like I built a community so strong that I don't think I could ever mess up. I am a part of this team where like every single member is vital. Like, we're a really small team. We spend hours upon hours practicing for Daytona, practicing just getting stronger. Like, every part of it is just constant hustle, and I feel like people really don't think about that when they think UMW cheer. They don't think about that when they think UMW club team. Like, it is fun. It's a lot of fun. But that fun is in between like every ounce of just dedication to what we're doing.